First, select the text. Now, click on the Interactive Fill tool. From the options, select Texture Fill, and then choose your desired texture from the texture presets below. Next, use the handles of the texture fill to resize, move, and adjust the texture according to your preference. In the next step, go to the Effects menu, select Texture, and then choose the plastic effect. Adjust the effect properties using the sliders if needed, and then click OK. Now, go back to the Effects menu, select Texture again, and choose the Cobblestone effect. Customize the properties according to your design, and click OK. Next, insert a rectangle and fill it with black. Now, create a mirrored copy of the text. Select the mirrored copy and activate the Transparency tool. Set the transparency value to 70. Finally, use PowerClip to place and adjust the mirrored copy inside the black rectangle. And there you have it. Your stunning 3D textured banner is ready.